Hi, this is Sohail from Spectrum Engineering Consortium Limited. In this tutorial, I'm going to describe how you can use Manifold DB Console tool. Manifold has a nice tool, DB Console, where we have an option to link map file table with SQL Server database tables. Let's get into the detail of these. Here I have a map file, state.map. I'm going to open these using Manifold standard version. Here I have opened the map file state.map using Manifold editor. I'm going to create a new drawing layer, property irrigated areas. Okay, in the project pane, I can see a new layer has been created, property irrigated areas. It has a table included here. If you double click on the table, you can see the table layout. I'm going to create some new columns in this table. ID underscore key is the key identity column. I try to add some more. I'm going to set the data type as floating point. Water budget, floating point, then user. This column actually will be used to store logged in user information. Font type, column data type will be text with variable length. The last one is ET source. Save text data type. Done. I have a layer with all these columns. Well, here I'm going to export this table into SQL Server. To do so, select the data source. Here I can see I have an existing database connectivity provider connection string. I'm going to drop this and create a new one. Right click, server name, server authentication, database name. With the same settings, and boom, it's done. Now the next thing is I need to link up this drawing into the SQL Server database. To do so, click on the file menu, then link drawings. Here also I'm going to create a new database connectivity. Here it is. this layer just newly created. Click OK. Yeah, here we can see the newly created layer with the DB link. This is the old one. I'm going to remove this old one. Now just going to rename these. Okay, now let's go to the SQL server using Enterprise Manager. Yes, I have this newly created table. Go to the design view. Here we can find all columns. Here YD is the primary key. I'm going to set the primary key as ID key. We'll use this identity column. I'm going to remove this and then save. Done. Here I'm going to execute some newly created store procedure. This store procedure will be used while accessing the table from web page. Successfully executed. Now the next one. And then next. And the last one. Done. Okay, now I'm going to change the map file location into the application. Here the default map SPX file. Just scrolling down a little more. Then here I have the map file. I'm going to copy the path and then I need to replace this location. Now I need to build the application. Well, here it is, the login page of the system. I'm going to log into the system. From the Find menu, I'm going to select Properties Pages. Then I'm going to the View of any property. Here is a newly created Water Budget tab. Right now we don't have any parcel elements. I'm going to the map. It's loading the map file. Seems pretty slow. This is the first time loading of the map. Wow, I got it. Okay, now I'm going to draw some areas in the map. To do so, clicking on the drawing toolbar, then selecting draw circle, drawing some areas. I'm going create circle. Wow. I'm just going to resize the window. Here is the auto calculating area size. I can put some other values. There is the login user, plant type, soil type, sun exposure type, and it is source type. I'm going to load the feature. Done. Now let's have a look on the database. I need to refresh this page also. And here it is. Now I can edit, delete newly created entry from here. So that's all about for now. Thanks for staying with me. Thank you.